Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Winsa Mathematics. So we have two things that we know that we have to become fearless anyhow in mathematics. Okay. So how will we become fearless? Just by learning the things instead of cramming. And we know that learning is a fun. Okay. That we used to learn in childhood without considering the consequences. Okay. So let's come to the question session without wasting any time. Okay. So just coming to the question session. And now, what are these two questions? What is this? We have cleared all the three problems. Okay. So now we are uh, gonna solve this question. Okay. And this is something different, but the approach is same. Okay. So don't worry. And what is the approach? If this is not striking in your mind, so must watch all the videos because I have discussed the approach and we will solve each and every question by same approach. Okay, so check the description. And these are the questions that we have to solve. Okay. So now let's come to the fourth question that we are gonna solve in this video. So approach is again same. Now just I am discussing in brief. Okay. I have discussed it already. Okay. So please watch that video because approach is very important. Again, I am repeating, but I will tell you in short, and this will also clear your doubt. Okay. So now let's come to the first approach that identify limit. So first let me write the question. Fourth question 0 to infinity and x to the power 6 and e to the power minus 2x dx. So first approach was that to identify limit. What was our standard limit? Simple. I hope you guessed. Okay. Yes. 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to infinity. And why is this so? Because this all suits on the definition of beta function and this suits on the definition of gamma function. Okay, so very clear. So now what we have to do, we have to identify, and this is 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, so no any problem. First approach is very clear, first step is clear. So our second step is what? That we have to transform into the standard definition, and this is the important, the standard definition of beta or gamma. That means either beta or gamma. So just compare this question. And just compare this question with the definition of beta or gamma, which is convenient. So clear because we know that what gamma n is equal to, yes, 0 to, clear, very good, infinity x to the power e to the power, very good, minus x and x to the power plus n minus 1 dx. Okay. So this is our definition and everything is telling, okay, with the definition of gamma n, okay, because e to the power something, e to the power something here, minus minus clear, x to the power n minus 1, x to the power something something because we can transform it into the n minus 1 symbol 6 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so 7 minus 1 clear. But what is our problem? Question is a problem, but question is not a problem. This is the fun. Something inside the question which is just a problem and just a formality. Okay. So we have to find clear. Okay, very good. E to the power minus 2x. We don't wanna see this awkward terms minus 2x. Okay. Why? Because we know that this is e to the power minus x. Okay, clear? So now let's solve this problem. So how? So by using substitution. So what will we substitute? We will substitute it x minus 2x, sorry. We will substitute minus 2x. Minus 2x is equal to what? No. We will substitute x, 2x is equal to what? We will substitute 2x is equal to what? Okay. Why? Because we need minus eventually. Here minus, here minus. Okay. So we will substitute 2x is equal to what? So let's think something 2x is equal to m because we need to come across the variable here, also variable here, also variable. No any trigonometric relation, nothing. Just simple variable m. Okay. So now dx is equal to simple dm upon 2 because this 2 will come in the denominator. Okay. And limit is as usual. 0 to infinity. Why? Because when x is equal to 0, so m is equal to 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is also 0 and 2 into infinity is also infinity. So limit is 0 to infinity. Clear? So now we can write this integration 0 to infinity it, and x is equal to what? Uh, m upon 2. Here from this relation we will find x is equal to m upon 2. So this is very clear, m upon 2 and this is power 6 e to the power minus and 2x is equal to what? M. And this is dx is equal to what? Dm upon 2. Clear to you? So dm upon 2. Now this is a basic integration and just everything is clear. E to the power minus and just we have to solve this and this. Okay. 2 just remove constant term. Okay. So let's see what we have done. So simple. We substituted 2x is equal to 1 n and x is equal to m by 2 clear. So dx is equal to dm by 2. No any doubt. So this is limit is constant because limit is not changing. 0, 2 into 0 lower limit, 2 into infinity upper limit. So this is 0, this is infinity. So 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity clear. Okay. So now this is very simple. E to the power minus m, e to the power minus m to the power 6, and this is 2 to the power 6, and this is 2. So we will first remove the constant term. This is 1 upon 128. Why? Because 2 to the power 6 and 2 both are in denominator, so 2 to the power 7. Simple 0 to infinity e to the power minus m and m to the power 6, and this is bm. And we know that I already told you how to convert this power in the form of n minus 1, because e to the power minus m m dm minus x x dx minus t t dt, no any problem, because this n only depends on the power of the variable of integration. Here variable is x, here variable is m. So we will transform it into n minus 1. And how will we do? This is simple, 6 plus 1 minus 1. So we can write m to the power 7 minus 1 dm, no any problem. And n is what? 7. Okay, so this is gamma 7. So suppose this is I, this integration is I, so I is equal to this, I is equal to this, 1 upon 128, this is gamma 7. And now how to solve gamma 7? Simple, because we know that gamma n is equal to what? N minus 1 factorial. So simple, 6 factorial, okay, upon 128. 6 factorial is what? 720, and this is 128. So we will solve it simple. 720 is 16, and this is also 16. Multiple of 16 clear. So what? 4 ja 64 clear. 5 simple. This is 8 ja clear. I is equal to 45 upon 8. So this was our required answer, and this was nothing. This was simple. Okay. So what we did, we identified limit, we transformed. How we transformed? We identified the problem. What was the problem? Our problem was e to the power minus 2x. Now, ever integral is in the form of this. I already told you. Okay. So now what we did, we solved it, and this is very simple. And gamma 7, 7 minus 1 factorial, and this is all. Okay. So now thank you for staying so long. This was our fourth question, and we solved it, and we will solve next question in the next video. Okay.